Hello everyone, welcome to the Bobby Education 9 YouTube channel. Today we will study one of the most important labor reforms in India, the 4 labor codes. These codes came into effect on the 21st of November 2025 and replaced 29 old labor laws. The aim is very simple: better wages, better safety, better social security, and better working conditions for workers. Most of India's labor laws were framed during the 1930 to 1950, when the economy and nature of work were completely different. Over time, India moved towards a modern economy, especially after the 2000, but labor laws remained fragmented and outdated. There were 29 separate labor laws, making compliance difficult and confusing. New categories like gig workers, platform workers, and migrant workers were not legally protected. This gap made labor reforms necessary. Instead of 29 different laws, now we have only 4 labor codes, each focusing on one major area. These labor codes are Code on Wages, 2019, Industrial Relations Code, 2020, Code on Social Security, 2020, and Occupational Safety, Health or Working Conditions Code, 2020. Now let us understand the first labor code, which is called the Code on Wages, 2019. This code is very important because it talks directly about workers' salaries and income security. Earlier, minimum wages were fixed only for selected industries, and many workers were left uncovered. But under the Code on Wages, 2019, every worker in India has a legal right to receive minimum wages. No employer can pay wages below the minimum level fixed by the government. This code also makes timely payment of wages compulsory, so workers receive their salary without delay. Another key feature is the national floor wage, which ensures that no worker in any state is paid below a basic living standard. Now let us understand the Industrial Relations Code, 2020. This code mainly focuses on the relationship between employers and workers. It provides clear rules for trade unions, collective bargaining, and settlement of disputes. The objective of this code is to reduce conflicts, ensure industrial peace, and create job stability by resolving disputes quickly and in a structured manner. Now let us understand the Code on Social Security, 2020. This code is extremely important because it extends social security to all workers, not just permanent employees. For the first time in India, gig workers and platform workers are legally recognized and included under Social Security. Under this code, workers will receive benefits like Provident Fund, ESIC, insurance, and other welfare schemes. A universal account number linked with Aadhaar is provided, which makes these benefits portable across states, especially helpful for migrant workers. So friends, this is the basic understanding of the labor codes up to Social Security. The remaining important topics will be explained in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel.